Alright, today I want to share with you step by step how to set up your Ledger Nano S. I'm not going to leave anything out, completely beginner friendly. If you do have any questions at all, feel free to let me know in the description below. So this is for Ledger Nano S, but this can be used on any Ledger Nano. The same concept applies for all of the devices in Ledger Nano. So I just want to make you aware of that. So the first step is you need to come to ledgernano.com. You need to go to the apps and services button and you need to click on Ledger Live. So you just need to first download this. So just click on that. Then once you bring up this page right here, you just click on download the app. This will download an app. So just click on desktop or whatever device you're using, which device you have. So this will be for all devices here. So download for Windows or Mac or Linux. So you can download for Windows. And then once it does download, you will just need to confirm it and follow the prompt. You just click on install. Once you click it on the install, it should show an icon on your desktop looking just like that app right there. And then just click on finish and it'll automatically run Ledger Live right here. So the next step is you just click get started. So just click get started. Then you can read the terms of service and the privacy policy. Then once you have done that, you just click I have read and accept the terms, service and privacy policy. Then just click enter app. This is where you actually click the one that you have purchased. So depending on which Ledger Nano you have purchased will be depend on which one you click. When you look at the front of the box, it will tell you which one you have. So the Ledger Nano S is the one we're working with. So we'll just click that one. This is the first time we're setting this device up. You will click on getting started. So now you just follow the prompt step by step and they talk about some important security aspects of your Ledger Nano. So your assets are stored on the blockchain. You need a private key to access and manage them. Your own private key. Your private key is stored with your Nano. You must be the only one to own it to be in control of your money. That's what they're mentioning here. So your Ledger Nano is completely offline no matter what, even when you're on the app itself like we are right now. Your Ledger Live allows you to buy, sell, manage, exchange and earn crypto while remaining protected. You'll validate every crypto transaction with your Nano. So you're all set up. We're getting started with your Ledger Nano security. So now they talk about how you want to be by yourself and in a quiet place, no one else around. Make sure you follow the prompts right here and please take your time. Don't rush this stage because this is really important not to get wrong. Now, as long as you follow me in the video, you won't have any issues at all. So now I would recommend you to get your Ledger Nano out. So you should have a box like this. So what you get in the box is the Ledger Nano itself. And of course you get this pamphlet right here and you get the most important aspect, which is the USB. So you need this to connect to your computer. So what you need to do is connect the Ledger Nano to it. So just like this, connect it, this part into that right there like that. Now you need to connect this part into the computer itself. So once you have done that, it should look something like this. You should see a little screen popping up right there, as you can see, once you have connected to your computer. So the next step now, once you have plugged in your Ledger Nano, you will need to you have this screen come up right here. Now I'll share with you how you can navigate using the Ledger Nano. So if you press this button right here, it will navigate to the left. If you press this button here, it will navigate to the right. Now, if you hold both buttons down at the same time, that's the OK signal. So that's the pressing the OK signal, like the enter on your tab on your keyboard. So next step, you need to go to the right, click on the right. It will just mention the same things that I just mentioned to you, and then just click keep continuing. Now where it says set up a new device, that's where you want to press the two buttons down to OK it. So you want to set up a new device. Now, if you wanted to recover a device, you'd press this button again and you restore recovery from your recovery phase keys. So if you click back again and just click on set up new device, hold both buttons down and now you choose a pin. So to choose a pin, you just want to confirm it again. Now this pin can be up to 9 numbers as I'm aware, or 8 numbers, sorry, and you can choose from 1 to 9. And how you can navigate to the numbers is you navigate using these buttons once again. And when you pick the number that you want, you press and hold the OK button again. So how you do it is really simple. So I'm going to navigate here. I'm not sure if you can see the numbers, but it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to pick 1, then I'm going to press OK, then I'm going to press 2, and then I'm going to press 3. And I'm going to do this for 4 numbers, but I recommend do up to 5. Now, once you have selected all the numbers that you want for your pin, you need to now press the OK button again to confirm it. Now, what it will do is ask you what the pin is. So you just rewrite the same pin. So you put the same pin down again just to confirm it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then once again, you confirm it and then your pin will be now set up. So that's the first step to setting up your Ledger Nano. So now the next step is to set up your 24 phase keys, recovery keys. So this is the keys that you will use, like I mentioned earlier, to actually recover your device. So if you ever lose the Ledger Nano, if you ever lose this, it doesn't really matter as long as you have these 24-word keys. Get back into it. But if you do lose these keys, your 24-word phase keys, you will lose your device and your cryptocurrencies everything will be gone. So please be aware of that. So to generate these keys, you need to slide to the right. So press this button here. Keep going to the right. They just give you the same thing that I just told you. This is your backup pretty much. So just keep going to the right. And now once you're ready, hold the 2 buttons down to confirm this. Now it will tell you the words up to 24 words. Now I'm going to go ahead and write down all the 24 words, but I'm going to share with you really quickly. I'm going to navigate to all the words here. So as you can see, it goes up to 24. So all you do is write them in the correct order. So 1 to 24. So just write them out from starting from 1. So as you can see, I've written down all the words, all the recovery phase keys, so all 24 of them in the correct order, which I recommend for you to do. So now what you need to do is go back to your Ledger Nano device, and now you need to actually repeat the same words that I've just written down. And how you actually find them is just navigate until you find the correct word from each number. So number 1 for me was matrix. So once I've found that word, I hit the 2 buttons to confirm it, and then it'll go to the next word. So number 2, number 2 was planet. So all I do is navigate to the word that I've already written down and confirm it. And I found it again and I just confirm it. Now I do this all the way up to 24. I'm not going to do this all the way up to 24 in video, but you get how to do it. Once you have confirmed every single recovery phase key, you just need to press these 2 buttons down and it'll confirm it. So now your recovery phase key is set and you can move on. So now what you need to do is click on this navigation button right here. Click on the right. Keep it safe in a safe, secure place. If lost or stolen or forgotten, all your cryptocurrencies will be lost. So all your assets will be lost. Never share it with anyone. Ledger will never ask you for it. So never tell anyone, no matter what, no matter who asks for it. Press both buttons when you're ready to confirm. So once you're ready, you just press these 2 buttons down and confirm it. And now it's processing and it will set up your Ledger Nano. So now your Ledger Nano will be set up. So once it has completed, your device is ready. It will tell you that. And then you need to navigate to the right and press the 2 buttons to confirm it. Now you're on the actual home screen of your Ledger Nano. This is where your apps will go, which will be your cryptocurrencies, so Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I'll show you how I can install them in one moment. So once you completed everything that I've shared with you on your Ledger Nano, you should be now ready to store cryptocurrencies on the blockchain. So if you follow me step by step, we can get that started right now. So just click understand, because we've already completed all of this process. We've completed the private pins. So just click continue, understand. We've written down the recovery phase keys and we've written them down on a piece of paper like I showed you. We've repeated the words, all the words. Okay, I'm done. Now you got to do a little quiz. So this quiz everyone does. As a Ledger Nano, my crypto is stored on the blockchain. So your cryptocurrency is stored on the blockchain, not on the Nano itself. Next question. If my recovery phase is no longer secure or private, no problem. Ledger can send me a copy. No, my crypto is no longer safe and I need to transfer them to a secure place. When I connect my Ledger Nano to the Ledger app, my private key is still offline. So it's still offline. And then you can click finish. Then just click on next step, and then just click on next step. Make sure you have your Ledger Nano connected to your computer. Now just click the 2 buttons to allow the connection to happen. So just click these 2 buttons to allow the Ledger Nano to connect up to the Ledger Live, just like so. And now as you can see, it's loading on the screen right here. So now you're all good and you're set up and it's a genuine Ledger Live. So now what you need to do is add an account. So install apps. So now I just want to share with you how you can add apps or how you can add cryptocurrencies on your Ledger Nano. It's really straightforward. So once you're on the home page here, if you click down to accounts here, if you click on accounts, as you can see, I've already added Ethereum and Polkadot. So to add more, you just click on add account. You would select the cryptocurrency asset. So whatever asset you wish to pick from, you can search it from here as well on this bar right here. So I'm just going to click on Polygon. So then you click next and then it will check to make sure your device is connected. So make sure your device, your Ledger Nano is still connected to the computer. Don't unconnect it at all at any stage here while you're doing this. So now once it has completed, you will need to click the 2 buttons down on your device. As you can see, they're showing you right here just to confirm it that you want to add this app, which is Polygon. So just confirm it, the 2 buttons. So like these 2 buttons on the device here at the top. So you can see I just press them both at the same time. So now it's completed. Now you just go on add account. And as you can see, it's been added successfully. Now, if you want to send cryptocurrency from your Ledger Nano onto an exchange or any other wallet, you click on this button right here. So you click on this search bar right here, depending on which one you have on your account. So you click on whatever cryptocurrency you have have that you want to send, and then you put the address here. Whatever exchange or wallet you want to send it to, you just put the wallet address right here and then click continue. Now, if you wanted to receive cryptocurrency, you would click on receive, and then you would click on the one that you wish to just store on here. So maybe you want to store Polygon. Click next. You'll load the device, confirm this. So make sure you copy this address onto whatever exchange and make sure you send it to this address only. And then you would confirm it with the 2 buttons on your device. So that's how easy it really is. That's how you send and receive cryptocurrency. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please hit the like button. If you do want to purchase the Ledger Nano S, I will leave a link in the description for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.